Gowercroft Joinery are a joinery manufacturer based in Derbyshire. So we manufacture very high quality windows, doors, conservatories, orangeries. The buildings that you're looking at here are all within a conservation area, and some of them are grade 2 or grade 1 listed. So we were contacted by Repton School because they were looking to replace a lot of the old windows, and they were looking for a solution that would improve the energy efficiency of those buildings while also keeping the traditional aesthetic. One of the key components to that was the Pilkington Spacia glass, which is unique in the fact that it's a vacuum cavity glazing unit, which means that you can have two very thin pieces of glass with an almost impossibly small cavity. So while also looking like a single glazed unit, it achieves U values and energy efficiency on a par with a double glazed unit, which makes it perfect for listed buildings. You're going to get less problems with condensation on the windows, less problems with drafts coming around the outside of the windows. So there's a big improvement in terms of the quality of the life inside the building. As a company, Gowercroft always look to find partners who are very similar to us in terms of the quality and people that are innovative. You know, we like to deliver a product that's better than other people's, and Pilkington Spacia allows us to do that.